Netflix has created a huge buzz all across the world, and the realm of video streaming has taken a huge toll on its popularity. But out of the blue, how did Netflix make its place in the market, and how it remained static while maintaining its hype is a thing to be learned by entrepreneurs who wish to earn along with the prevailing demands. The craze of video streaming applications is so huge that this market is expected to reach $932.39 billion at a CAGR of 12.1% by 2028. Every person engaged in enjoying a variety of entertainment genres, starting from thoughts, situations, time periods, and the taste of diverse cultures. The demand to explore more genres of entertainment promotes the need for more video streaming applications. Yes, you heard it right. Video streaming applications are automatically taking entrepreneurs to OTT app development companies. The prominence of video streaming applications is pretty much clear to us, but the major doubt lies in the fact that a video streaming app helps you grow your business. Or will it be able to compete with popular video streaming apps like Netflix? And if yes, then how? So, breaking the ice of doubts and confusion, your tech partner Optunix is here, with a sneak peek at the basics of video streaming app development with us. The major benefits of video streaming applications that make them popular are higher convenience, seamless connectivity, multiple device accessibility, wider choice, and lower costs. All these perks attract customers by 10x and contribute to the popularity of your business, while establishing it as a brand at the same time. Getting a video streaming application developed with Optunix will help you walk through the journey of your desired ROI, with due attention to making your app absolutely free from bugs and glitches. Our professionals exclusively streamline all the features and functionalities. With Optunix you will get the best features for your application, like the user registration and profile management, the social features, the search content section, screen mirroring, the payment gateway, multi-language support, watch list. We lead the chart when it comes to building apps with customizations and the inclusion of your ideas. The growth of this industry is evident, and investing at the right time can take your business to the skyline. Optunix not just develops your applications, but looks deeper into their functionality and feasibility in the market as well. Because your contentment is what makes us content. Wait no more, explore the perks of a next-gen video streaming application with Optunix now.